Hi, I'm Wanshan. Welcome to this problem-based learning online course. Problem-based learning can be abbreviated as PBL. As an IT teacher, do you often get confused like this? Students don't value the content of this course. Students' interest in the IT course comes more from having the opportunity to use the computer to surf the internet or play games. The traditional teaching methods are rigid and boring. Therefore, it is necessary to integrate the new teaching method, PBL, into the IT course. As the first lesson in this series of courses, we need to learn the characteristics of PBL. Have you ever heard of 5 main characteristics of PBL? We can simply refer to this as STPSS. Let's start with the student-centered characteristics. In the PBL design course, teachers cannot dominate the learning process. Students learn and explore independently or in collaborative groups to solve the problem. The teacher should give students enough time for individual reflection and group discussion on the main problem of the lesson. We need to give back the ownership of the lessons to the students. The next characteristic is that teachers' roles instead of a facilitator rather than a lecturer. They are primarily responsible for supporting the student inquiry process, facilitating group work, and maintaining order in the classroom. The teacher will not provide resources and answer directly to students. As an IT course that emphasizes operation and practice, we always focus on explaining knowledge and demonstrating how to operate in the past. The teachers spend a lot of time on lectures. When using the PBL teaching method, we must always keep in mind that we are only facilitators and maintainers of the course. The next characteristic is problem-based, which means problem-centered. Students learn by solving a real, ill-structured problem. The next characteristic is self-directed. Students need to independently or collaboratively explore the problems that need to be solved and access learning resources. The last characteristic is self-reflective. Students need to monitor and continually adjust their learning strategies while exploring the problem. Students are required to engage in self-evaluation and peer evaluation. I hope you have gained a deeper understanding of PBL and continue to learn the following contents.
Created using Powtoon.